Hello, viewers. This is Aditi Nayyar, ICRA's Chief Economist and Head of Research and Outreach, and I come to you with our monthly podcast covering the Indian economy and the themes that have emerged over the last 1 month. This was definitely an interesting month. We didn't get too much respite on the tariff side in terms of goods, and in fact, there are clouds on the horizon with what tariffs might look like on Indian services exports to the US in the months and the quarters ahead. However, we got a big positive surprise in terms of the very quick implementation of the GST rationalization, faster than expected, and the actual rates were reduced from the beginning of the festive period, which we're hoping is going to result in a good amount of festive cheer in terms of consumption boost. Now, there could be some transient impacts as far as the pace of production and the consumption are concerned over the last couple of months, and I think these will normalize over a period of time. But we might get some blips in the month to month data that we need to just sort of smooth over. So, for instance, after the GST rationalization was announced, there could be some amount of inventory management to avoid stranded taxes with a pickup in the production rates after the old inventories off the shelves. And similarly, from the demand side, we could see some demand being deferred until the actual lower rates came in on September 22nd, and then a big sort of catch up in demand in the weeks after that. And then, of course, we had the recent MPC review, the monetary policy review, where expectedly we got a hold on the repo rate and what is being construed as a dovish pause, with the door sort of being kept ajar in terms of future rate cuts. Perhaps there could be one more rate cut in the December policy meeting, depending on how the growth and the inflation outlook evolves in the next couple of months. And with this MPC review, we got the expected reduction in the CPI inflation. The average for FY26 has now been brought down to 2.6%, which is in line with our own views, whereas the GDP growth forecast from the MPC has been revised upward to 6.8%, which is a tad higher than the 6.5% that we foresee at this point in time for FY26. Thank you for listening and see you next month.